once, twice, 3 times.
Turn the key on, then you can rotate the steering wheel to expose the 2 screws. Remove these 2 screws. Insert the pry tool and gently lift and separate the bottom half of the steering column. Remove the sill plate. A plastic pry tool may help. There is a plastic nut over here that needs to be removed. Remove this piece of trim using your pry tool. There are now 2 bolts that need to be removed. One over here on the left and one over here on the right. We can now pull down the lower dash with our hands, and or a pry tool may help. We now have the under dash exposed. We will proceed to install the T-harness. The first connection we will make is by the ignition switch. Remove the connector and install the T-harness in line. You can use a zip tie over here to secure the wires. Connect the ground wire to any metal screw. We use this one over here. Connect the T-harness in line to the BCM connection. Remove the OBD connector and install the T-harness OBD connector in line. Connect the T-harness back to the factory position. While holding down the programming button, insert the big white connector. The LED will change colors. Release the button when the LED is blue and red. At that point it will stay blue and red. Insert the remaining connectors. Press the programming button 10 times. Turn the key to the on position. Don't crank, just turn to the on position. When only the blue LED starts flashing, it is programmed. You can turn the key to off. We will now show the TPMS interrupt connection. This is required if you want to be able to use your remote when the vehicle is remote started. Without this connection, the remote starter will work. However, once the car is started, you won't be able to push unlock in order to unlock the locks. You'll have to physically insert the key. We are in the driver's side kick panel. We're going to remove this connector and install the T-harness in line. Connect the red connector to the remote starter module. Use the included zip ties to secure the T-harness wires and the remote starter module.